Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star, the next one is pentagon, and the next one is square, triangle, the shape of circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is square. We are again using and coloring the shape of square. We are again using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring square. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're using yellow color. The next one is circle. We are again using yellow color, and now we are coloring circle. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching.